Needless to say, the electric vehicle sector has completely exploded this year, and it's all thanks to the market leader, Tesla. To think this time last year, you could have bought a share of Tesla for $220, and now you would be up over 500% return on your investment. That's absolutely insane, guys. And so naturally, the hunt is on to find the next Tesla or the next electric vehicle stock that we can invest in that will generate us with exponential returns. And maybe not to the scale of Tesla, because Tesla, to be honest, guys, is in a league of its own, but at least an EV stock that has a ton of potential and the ability to grow alongside the rapidly expanding EV space. So for today's video, guys, we'll be taking a detailed look at Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. We will put aside all of the hype surrounding that sector and take a look at the actual business model, what competitive advantage that it may have over the rest. We'll take a look at its financials and also the current insider transaction that's going on. And by the end of this video, you will have all the facts you need to decide whether Workhorse is the next best electric vehicle company to buy now. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, as it really helps my channel grow. And if you're new, I want to say welcome, and I hope you gain a ton of value from today's content. And if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as it will be really cool having you on board. What's going on, guys? My name's Emmanuel and welcome to my channel. There are so many EV stocks that have gone crazy over just pure hype. However, they have no revenue, they have no net income, they have terrible balance sheets, and some literally only have the concept of the vehicle. So based on the concept of the vehicle, they don't even have any of these vehicles on the road yet. They've still shot up over 100%. It's just absolute mental. I've filtered through the noise and I think Workhorse might be a decent electric vehicle company that is already operational, that's already generating revenue, and also has somewhat of a moat on the EV sector. And it also does have some huge backings by some very big names in this industry. So with all that said, guys, let's jump into today's analysis. All right, guys, so let's jump straight into the company profile for Workhorse Group. Ticker symbol WKHS. Okay, so what's the story? What is this company about? Okay, so Workhorse is an American tech company that's focused on designing and building high performance battery electric vehicles. Okay, and these vehicles include trucks and aircrafts or drones, and they provide these EV vehicles to the last mile delivery sector. Don't worry what last mile delivery actually means, because just like you, I didn't know what it meant either, okay? So last mile delivery is the movement of goods from the transportation hub or a warehouse to its final destination. So for example, you've got your Amazon warehouse. It's collected from the Amazon warehouse and delivered to your front door. So that's what last mile delivery means. So Workhorse vehicles are designed pretty much to make the movement of people and the movement of goods more efficient and of course less harmful to the environment, because they're using batteries. Okay, they're not using your fossil fuels. All right, so their target, according to management from their first quarter of 2020, is that they aim to deliver a minimum of 300 vehicles by the end of 2020, and according to management, they are well on course for that. So I'm going to take you to their first quarter results. Okay, guys, so we're on the first quarter results for Workhorse, and the CEO mentioned here that they've been deemed an essential service, allowing them to continue their work throughout the whole lockdown. Okay, so they've been able to keep up with production of their vehicles, and he believes that they're on course to achieving their target delivery of 300 to 400 vehicles by the end of the year. So that's all a plus. Alright, guys, so now we have a great understanding of what the company is about and what their future targets are. The next question is, how do they generate their revenue? So of course, they generate their revenue through sales of their EV vehicles, you know, so their electric cargo vans, their medium to light duty pickup trucks, and also through their the sales of their drones. Okay, before we move forward, guys, let's take a look at what their EV vehicles and drones look like. Okay, guys, so I'm on Workhorse's website, and as you can see, these are their two models of their trucks. They have the C1000 and the C650. Okay, and I mean, straight away, they're not necessarily the best looking trucks. I must give it that. I mean, I haven't designed a truck myself, but blimey, look at that. All right, so it pretty much looks like a Royal Mail truck, to be honest. Let's flip through. Got decent space here, heavy duty. They've made it a point on their box. There we go, there's Nigel. How you doing, Nigel? You all right? There you go, Nigel delivering the heavy duty box. And yeah, guys, so that's what gives you an idea of their trucks. So this is their C650 truck. Okay, guys, so let's take a quick look at their drones. So as you can see, it's operational here. It works in collaboration with their trucks. And there you go. I guess it's delivering something. So yeah, this is typical standard drone, to be honest. I can't see anything special with this drone. All right, guys, so back to the slides. So now, okay, what is the opportunity with Workhorse Group, okay? Why is this potentially the next best EV stock, okay? So I've got a few points to highlight. So back in April 2020, okay, Workhorse and another company called DroneUp partnered with UPS in a test designed to see the efficiency of unmanned aerial deliveries to help fight the spread of the Rona. This resulted with an order of 1,100 of Workhorse's EV vehicles, and they were ordered by UPS, FedEx Express, Alpha Bacon, WP Mason, and Ryder. Alright guys, so here's the article. It says the electric truck maker, which is Workhorse, has about 1,100 pending orders from customers that include UPS, FedEx, and Alpha Bacon, WP Mason, and Ryder. So it's all really positive stuff for this company. Alright guys, so the next good news was back in June 2020, Workhorse actually completed the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards testing for their C650 model and their C1000 model. So this is all incredible news for Workhorse, okay? And lastly guys, today, which is July 14th, Workhorse is now actually one of the 4 participants that are bidding for the US Postal Service's $6 billion contract for its next generation mail truck fleet. Let me take you to that article now. Alright guys, so here's the article which states, you know, Workhorse Group also remains one of the 4 participants bidding for the US Postal Service's $6 billion contract. So this is huge, okay? Just imagine if Workhorse actually won that contract. Their stock will go crazy, and it will be just an amazing achievement for the company, for the management, and also for all of the shareholders in Workhorse. Okay guys, so another opportunity, there's so many opportunities with this stock right now, is that they actually are making a huge success with their patent application for their delivery truck mounted drone capabilities. Okay, so that was also highlighted in the first quarter results. And I also want to bring to your attention guys that they have huge backing from Kathy Woods from ARK Invest, who was also an early backer of Tesla. So let's take you to their holdings. Okay guys, so here we are on ARK Invest ETF, and as you can see, their biggest position is Tesla. I'm sure they're doing all right now. They've got 30,000 shares in Tesla, and it represents 11.91% of their portfolio. And if you scroll down guys, you can see here they've invested in Workhorse Group Inc., and they own 186,000 shares of Workhorse Group. So they are very bullish on this company. All right, guys, so before we complete the analysis, we have to look at their financial position. They have a total cash position of 16 million, and their total debt is in 47 million. So they are actually quite over leveraged at the moment. And also they do have a lot more current liabilities than they do have current assets, because their current ratio is sitting at 0.62, which if you watch any of my previous videos, I like to invest in companies that have a current ratio of at least 1 or higher. So their balance sheet isn't strong at the moment guys. They have an operating margin of minus 15,000%. That is incredible, guys. So their financials presently, guys, isn't great, and that constitutes to it being a high risk investment if you do decide to invest in this company. Alright guys, and Workhorse is available on Trading212. You just click search, type in Workhorse, it comes up there, and if you wanted to buy a share, it would cost you £12 a share, which is not too bad. All right. Right now, investing in this stock is what Benjamin Graham would refer to as an intelligent speculation. And what that entails is your investing decision is based carefully on relevant facts and future potential growth. I have a very tiny position in this stock, which I'm also prepared to lose in the worst case scenario. But the risk reward of this stock, particularly if the patents do go through and they do win that USPS contract, I think is incredibly attractive. Don't forget guys, there are a lot of things that Workhorse also need to get in place first for it to prove that it is indeed a long-term investment. Remember, we still have those patents and we still have those orders as well that they need to fulfill, okay? So keep a lookout on the progress of that, okay? And if they do secure this $6 billion contract, then man, it's going to be crazy for us shareholders. So there you go guys, that's my thoughts on Workhorse as an investment opportunity, but it does carry high risk. And as always guys, make sure you do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you decide to invest in any company or before you decide to invest in any stock, okay? Don't just invest simply because I've invested in the company. Make sure you invest in your own knowledge by purchasing One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch and also The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Incredible book, and the links to both books are in the description below. And if you do want to start investing, I would highly recommend my broker Trading212. Click the link in the description below and Trading212 will give you a free share and will give me a free share. With all that said guys, don't forget once again to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from myself. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.